In this lesson, we will learn how we can use ChatGPT for shopping. We can ask for gift ideas or products from ChatGPT to get relevant results. Let's see. So here is our ChatGPT. Click new chat. Now let's say what are some gift ideas for a boy kid aged 6. Okay, here it is. Now let us see another prompt. What are some gift ideas for people who love cricket? Okay, here it is. Training equipment, cricket video games, match tickets, books, cricket clothing, cricket equipment. Now let us see what are some good cameras for recording YouTube videos. So it is giving some suggestions. Okay. So in this way, guys, we can use ChatGPT for our shopping experience. Okay. For shopping. We can also mention that what specific gifts we are looking for. Thank you for watching the video.